Hello and welcome to this package video. This package I got from Bryan, and it should contain a WB lock, his WB lock, and I sent him my WB lock. So we exchanged the locks so that I can test if I fail to pick his WB lock as well as I did with my WB lock. And yeah, but he also added some surprises or some additional locks, and I'm really curious what's inside beside of the WB lock. So let's open it up. Okay, adjust the camera a little bit. Nice little package, Royal Mail. Okay. Quite nicely packed. Okay. A Chubb locks. Cool. Never had one of these. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin lock. Oh, great. Okay, and okay, get a knife to speed up things. And that's his WB lock. WB. Okay, great. So that I can play with that one. And even more. What's that? Unusual format. Hey, it's a dimple lock. Oh, a multi-lock. What great. Alright, so slim pickings, Bryan, thank you very much. These are great locks. Really great here. Oh, and a challenge, of course. I picked one of these. It was the MUL-T-LOCK Junior, and it was a lot of hard work actually. So, and now I got another one to play with. Okay, take this aside, and that's the WB. I won't try that one on camera, but I'm curious how this Chubb lock picks. I will try to pick this on camera now. So, out of the package. Oh, I'm not prepared. I will try tension from the pin side, because this gives me extra room for manipulating the pins, not to overset. It's too thick. Here's the smaller one. Okay, here's the smaller one. Choose the right pick. Oh, I tried to rake it. How about that? I have my new city rake. Got a full set. Okay, I'll keep it like this. And what pick do I use? Let me try this one. Okay. Zoom in a little bit. Alright, just the lightning. So, was a full set. So let's check for the spools. Get feedback. Sorry. Okay, got my full set back. Okay, hopefully got the second spool set. Check for the next spool. Yeah, and open. Alright, picked on camera out of the box, but not a time that I'm proud of. Okay, so thank you very much, Bryan, for this challenge and all the other locks. Well, thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye. So I played a little bit with this lock and I want to pick it for you now in a decent time. Here's the bidding, lots of ups and downs, great bidding. I show you that the lock actually works with the key. It does and is locked up. Oops. Locked up. I have to apply tension at the pin side because on the opposite side I would not have enough room for my pick. But here I cannot angle at this corner here, at this edge, because the warding is in the way. So I have to make a parallel movement with my pick to set the pins, which is kind of unusual for me. I'm not used to do that, so that adds additional complexity here. And when I touch pin 2, I got a false set. And touching some other pins, pin 3 or 4, I don't know, giving me an even deeper false set. So now let me search for the first spool. Got it. Also got my good false set back. Okay. I think I got all the pins in the back, all the spools in the back. And I know that pin 1 is also a spool, but I cannot pick it with enough feel with this parallel movement. So I decided to use my knife to set it. And I think I got it, but lost my false set. So let's check. Gatekeeper. Maybe it's not set all the way down, pin 1. Maybe I just need to push it a little bit more. Oh, yes, and it's open. Haha. Alright, that was the Chubb locks. Chubb padlock. Okay, company, I think it's called Chubb locks, and that's the padlock of Chubb locks. Okay, Bryan, thank you very much for this challenge. It's a great lock and a complex picking, at least for me. Alright, thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.